It brings a lot of efficiency to the database. It makes development and maintenance of the database a lot faster. When you're developing the database, the difference can be from having to type every single attribute, like the value of the attribute, versus dragging and dropping. It can be that dramatic, like basically if you got a pump to configure, you can just drag the folder onto say the pump icon and it's configured. But if it's not properly designed, what you're going to have to do, you're going to have to open the icon itself and type the value of every single attribute to animate it. So that can be very time consuming if it's not done properly, but it will make say location of assets a lot easier. Running of SQL queries will be a lot more efficient and faster by a factor of 100 or better. And it allows the creation of automation tools. Automation tools can be as simple as running a script within the database itself for basically running or doing tasks that are required often, or fixing errors in the database, finding errors in the database, or diagnostics, say, or maintenance-wise, say you want to find points that are generating way too many events, or you want to find points that are misconfigured. It's very easy to find them using scripts within the database. We can also run customized programs. It allows for diagnostics, allows for proactive maintenance. We can also do customized integration tools. A client may want that sort of facility, but the tools need to be customized to the existing hierarchy naming convention, because you cannot just make a generic tool that will work for everybody's database, because they have different hierarchies, different naming conventions, different rules. So, but if you have a proper naming convention and hierarchy, then it's easier to develop a customized tool.